The Voge SR3 is a scooter that stands out with its low rolling weight of 165 kilograms, in addition to its standard equipment and technology. The Chinese brand, which is located between a 125 cubic centimeters scooter and a medium volume scooter, has the Voge SR3 model in its catalogue, and its full volume is 244.3 cubic centimeters. It is the ideal model for those who want a scooter with good performance but without the weight of other large-volume maxi scooters. Vogue announced that its main goal at the launch of this scooter was to reduce its weight, resulting in a moving weight of 165 kilograms, one of the lowest figures in the segment. Using digital design tools, they have managed to create a lightweight yet durable frame and tested it. This reduced weight is combined with a 25.5 horsepower single-cylinder engine optimized for a lively response in the mid-range, making it one of the best on the market in terms of power-to-weight ratio. Designed for urban use but with extra-urban capabilities that can also be enjoyed on the highway, its considerable road holding and agility are also noteworthy. Its 14-inch front and 13-inch rear wheels, a wheelbase of 1,525 mm and a low seat height, 770 mm, make this model truly accessible. This scooter stands out for its equipment: a 14-liter tank that provides considerable autonomy, a rear storage shelf, 2 large glove compartments, one with USB port, an under-seat compartment with 2 helmet capacities, one full face, the other jet type, keyless start, front HD camera and a high-contrast TFT display with turn-by-turn navigation. It's not bad in terms of comfort and safety either. It comes with safety features such as adjustable windshield, heated grips, TCS traction control, dual-channel ABS disc brakes, ESS emergency brake warning and full LED lighting. The new SR3 will be available in 2 colors, silver and anthracite gray.